What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, my name is Hayleynicole, and I basically do hair tutorials and makeup tutorials with the occasional lifestyle video thrown in there. But yeah, so today's video though is going to be a makeup tutorial slash Ulta haul. So let's get right into it. If y'all are interested in seeing the little goodies that I got today, which I am so excited because a lot of these things are new products to me that I've never tried. I think maybe one or two of the things that I got today I've tried before, but yeah, let's just get right into it. So first things first, we're gonna clip my hair halfway because I'm looking a little crazy. I love these clips. I got them at Nordstrom, but they're so like, they don't have any like bend to them, like, so they don't really bend around the head like you would like. So I kind of put them in backwards. Instead of like going into my hair like this, I go in from the bike like this and clip it out the way. But it's a really good, strong, sturdy clip. Like, I paid like 18 bucks for these clips because they were that cute. That's definitely not my normal MO, but yeah. I'm gonna do my brows real quick, and for that I'm just gonna use this NYX pencil, this NYX pencil, whatever you call the brand, and this is in the shade Taupe. The first product that I'm going to try out is this Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara, and this is from the brand Essence. If I gotta get focus, can y'all see this? Yeah. Juicy Jazz, I watched one of her 2020 favorite makeups, and she mentioned this stuff, and she said it was so good and it was so affordable. Everything from this Essence brand is very, very, very affordable. I think this brow mascara was probably like $4. So, and I got the shade Brownie Brows. Already I am like very impressed by the hold that it's giving my brow hairs. I feel like it's like actually making them kind of stand up straight and almost give like a fluffier, thick brow effect, and that's like my favorite look for brows. And I like that the shade is not like too red, like it's a very cool toned brown, and I also like that for my brows. So definitely I'm probably gonna use this a few more times, but my first impressions, I'm obsessed. The second thing that I also got, a lot of these were recommendations from Juicy Jazz. If y'all don't follow her on YouTube, you should. She's super cute Latino girl, and she uses a lot of really good affordable makeup. This is also another one of the products that she mentioned. This is the NYX Professional, oh excuse me, this is the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh Multitasking Spray. Anything to just like refresh your makeup and kind of just melt it all down together, or even just being able to use it as like a primer. I'm going to use it as priming spray and see how she works. The smell is very faint, just kind of like makeup sort of smell, kind of like a clean smell, but it is super vague. So if you're like sensitive to smell, I would recommend trying this stuff. Also, it says it lasts up to 8 hours, so I guess we'll see. I know that I'm just super late to the party. I've never tried the Milani Conceal in Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, but I am super curious because it does say it's a 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. So I'm assuming it's like a really high coverage. Yeah, I think what I'll start with this is I will conceal around my brows, and then I will put the rest of the foundation on the rest of my face. Ooh. Okay. I definitely get concealer vibes from this foundation. It feels very creamy. Like, it did not dry down at all. I'm really excited to see how it wears as a foundation. Boom. Alright, y'all. So I also did get this little e.l.f. buffing brush. It was literally $6 and I was like, why not? I feel like with smaller brushes, it's easier to like get in all the little crevices around your nose and around your mouth. You get a little more detailed. So as soon as I can figure out how to open it from the top, maybe. Oh, okay, it's like a little baggy, maybe. When in doubt, use your teeth, boo. Okay. Boom. So this is the little brush. It's like this tiny, flat kabuki brush. It's very dense, synthetic bristles, and then go straight into the back of my hand. So the density of this brush definitely makes me feel like stippling is the better move than trying to like drag it and like swirl it around. It is taking a little bit more work to get it spread all over my face, but if you got time, girl, I'm telling you, little tiny brushes are so awesome to put on foundation with, because you just really can get into all those little creases. Alright, y'all, so I really do like this foundation a lot. I feel like it gave a good amount of coverage, but it's not as heavy as what it comes out of the pump looking like, which I'm happy about because I don't like a too thick and heavy foundation. As far as this e.l.f. brush, I also really do like how this brush blended out all my makeup, and I do feel like I got all the way around my nose really well, and even like under my eyes and stuff. But girl, it is 1 in 50 times that I actually have this amount of time to use a tiny little brush like this to blend out my foundation. So I do like this. Maybe I'll try it with the concealer, or maybe even with blending out your contour. This brush is probably good for those things, like smaller areas, because of how tiny this brush size is. But yeah, I probably would not be using this for my foundation. Okay, so the next thing that we got today from Ulta is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer, and I got this in the shade medium or 100W. If y'all have tried these concealers and you love them, let me know down in the comments below. It is a hyaluronic creamy concealer, so you know hyaluronic acid is really good for your skin. Let me just go 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna start off light because I don't know how full coverage this stuff is. Get our tribal paint going. Boop. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna just switch to my sponge because that's what I would normally do anyway. I was just curious how that brush would blend out these concealers, and it was good, just as good as the foundation. So already I feel like this concealer blended out very nicely and very seamlessly into my foundation on this. So now I think I want to do my shadow real quick, and I'm gonna use that same concealer and see how it works out as kind of like an eyeshadow base, like that. This healthy glow that I feel like the hyaluronic acid that's in these concealers is giving my skin, like I'm living right now. That was so easy to blend out. That was like no effort. Yes, ColourPop, come through. All right, y'all. So I was feeling really kind of plummy, berry, fall color vibes, and what inspired that was this super cute Milani eyeshadow palette. So these are the shades. I believe this palette is called Burning Desire. I'm feeling like I want to start with this bricky orange shade right here. Put this in my crease. And I'm going to go into this plum shade right here. It looks a lot more pink on camera, but it's actually kind of like a deep red purple. Let's see how it shows up on the eye. Yeah, I don't know exactly how it's translating in these lights on camera, but it's definitely also very true to the pan color shade, and that's awesome. I love that. I love that for me. I love that for y'all too, whoever buys this palette, because it's so affordable and it's so great. Oh yeah, also I think this was like $5 or $6. I'm not sure if it was on sale or not, but even if it was on sale, I think it was regularly priced at like $10 for this little 6-pan palette. You get a nice range, they're tiny, and you can travel with them. So now I want to put this goldish color just in the center of my lid. Yes, girl. I think I want to just put like a little pop of color right in the corners. It is another ColourPop product. It is the Flexitarian highlighter, and it just looks like this. And I'm just dotting right in the corners. Alright, girl, so you know how I do. We're gonna come back to the eyes, but this is pretty much what's happening with the eyes right now. For now. So for setting my under eyes, I'm just gonna use my Laura Mercier setting powder and set all the places that I highlighted and where I crease, which is right around my mouth. So don't be alarmed. I know I look a little ghosty. We're about to fix that. The next little product that I got that I really wanted to try is the Ulta Beauty Finishing Powder. We're gonna try this guy out and see if I like it as much as I used to love the Micro Smooth. Tap in there a couple times. And I kind of just veil it all over my face, just like I used to do my Micro Smooth. Down my neck. Yes, I feel like this just gave me like a nice smooth face tune look without being too heavy. The next powder that I'm gonna try looks very similar to the finishing powder, but it's the bronzer, Ulta Beauty Natural Glow Bronzer, and I believe I got the shade medium. Boom. She bronzy. Okay. Not mad at this. So everything that I've tried so far, I'm really impressed with. The bronzing one and the finishing powder are so amazing. My concealer and my foundations really meshed really well together and just melted together super seamlessly. Brows are still in place from the brow essence. I'm gonna go back with my NYX multi-purpose spray and just kind of melt some of these products together real quick before we move on. Alright, y'all, so the last little product that I got is the Milani Baked Blush. Yeah, I have not purchased any of the baked blushes from Milani in such a long time. I got it in the shade Luminoso. I'm just gonna put some of this right on the apples of my cheeks and right over the bronzer. Ugh, I love this blush so much because it's just got such a fruity glow and it's like the perfect highlight for any skin tone. Alright y'all, so that is pretty much it as far as the haul, all the new products that I got to try. I got some e.l.f. makeup wipes. I've never purchased these before. They have a very nice clean scent. It's very light. It's not like a heavy scent. They feel hydrating on my hand. I do get eczema on my hand sometimes and it didn't irritate my skin at all. So I'm impressed with these wipes so far. But I'm going to do some liner and a little bit of mascara, pop some lashes on real quick, and then I'll be right back to give y'all my final thoughts. Alright y'all, so we're back and all I did was I did a slight wing liner like I always do. I put on some wispy lashes and I did the same kind of shadow that I did on the top part of my lid. I did that at the bottom. And let's get into lips. So kind of the main attraction of this look is I wanted it to be the lips and I really wanted to do like a deep plummy vampy look. So for that we're going to use this MAC pencil and this is in the shade Night Moth, and I'm just going to line my lips with this. And then I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty, I almost said Mariana. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The Stunner Lip Paint in the shade Uncensored. Okay, so you know what? I had a vision for this lippy and it's not really what I had in mind, so I'm gonna take this off and try something different. So I am gonna stick with Night Moth, but I'm gonna do a different color in the center. And then I'm gonna go in with this Lipstick Queen lipstick I've had for a very long time, and it's in the shade called Berry Center. So basically this is the look. What do y'all think? I feel like this is very fall time, but you could also even wear the eyes in the spring or in the summertime. The lip is just very vampy and kind of brings out the plum shades in the eyeshadow to make it more of a fall time look. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if y'all enjoyed this look. Let me know if you guys have any other ideas for a makeup or hair videos you want to see from me. I said in my last video I was going to do a video on how I put in my extensions, and I think I'm going to do that video next. So let me know down in the comments if y'all are interested in seeing that. And until next time, Happy New Year, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!